I'm up in Michigan, and I guess we can see that Detroit's written down here. That's where all of the population is, down in the corner. I'm way up in the opposite direction with a resort area up in northern Michigan where everybody comes to play, and I get to live here. It's a great place. We love it here.
Lyle, what
Yes,
species are best for making the finials?
hardwood. The harder the wood and the tighter the grain it is, something like blackwood or ebony. If you're doing a black one, something like ironwood or something that's real hard and fine grain. Maple is okay. It's a fine grain wood. It doesn't have any pores that you can visibly see, so it'll take detail really nicely. And that's what I'm using here. And it's a kind of a white wood. It's got a little bit of a brown color to it, but it depends on your contrast of your globe. What color the globe is can dictate what you're going to make your finial out of. And this elm, I guess I don't have it finished or any here that are finished, but this elm is going to turn quite a bit darker than this. So that dark brown, kind of a medium brown. It's not as dark as walnut, but it's going to be a brown color, is going to contrast to the white finial. I've done cherry burl and other things where I've used a cherry finial where it's all the same kind of wood, and that works okay. Nothing wrong with that. It's just you have to try it and see if you like it, if you want to make contrast or no contrast. Finer grain, you can't use something like ash or even elm is a pretty porous grain. Have a hard time doing a finial out of elm. Something like oak and ash would not be good for a finial because of the pores are too broad. Um, Even walnut would be a little bit porous to do a finial out of. You could probably do one of my finials, the clunky ones, with walnut, but not one of Cindy's finials wouldn't work with walnut. Probably you need a finer wood like blackwood or ebony or something like that. Okay, good question. Thank you. Promote it on your social media if you will, and pass the good word that we're doing the job up here, and we'll see you in a few weeks.